In this video, I'm going to teach you about dynamic, creative Facebook ads, the new method that Facebook rolled out this year. Barely anybody's talking about it. There's no real training on it. I'm going to teach you exactly how to test multiple ads without having to create multiple ads and how to get an edge over your competition right now, 2020 and beyond, and the ultimate hack to win at Facebook ads. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? In this video, I'm going to teach you about dynamic, creative Facebook ads, which is something that I've gotten a lot of questions of in my channel, and I'm teaching my mentoring students how to do properly. I thought it's also worth to share it here on YouTube and have you test against your current Facebook ads so you can get that extra edge and that hack to your Facebook ads right now in your dropshipping store or in any business that you have. Now, before we move on, I'm happy to say that the Ecom Secrets mentoring program directly with me, you get mentoring to take your business to the next level, is open, but you have to apply by scheduling a free call. In the first link in the description right there, you can schedule a fully free, no-cost call with me or my team and start mentoring directly with me. And last thing, I'm opening up the one-on-one call giveaways. So if you want to win a 1-hour call directly with me for a whole hour, looking at your business, analyzing every single part of your business to improve it, take it to the next level, make sure to comment secrets down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll be checking if you're subscribed. I'll pick one person from this video to have a one-on-one call directly with me to analyze your whole business, take it to a next level. All right, now I'm gonna show you dynamic creative, and this is dynamic creative demo right here. I'm gonna show you how to actually create dynamic creative ads, dynamic creative campaigns, and how to analyze them and how to actually get that extra edge over everybody else. So when it comes to creating a campaign, you're just gonna go through the whole process again. So you just create a whole new campaign. Here I have a demo of it, and you're gonna click either conversions or engagement, wherever you're going for. I suggest it's conversions. So let's say you do conversions, and we're gonna put dynamic creative YouTube, and I'm gonna teach you how you set it up and how you do it all. So you click continue. You can either set it up as CBO, campaign budget optimization. If you don't know what CBO is, check the link in the description. There's a video on how to do that type of campaign. So let's say we want to pick, let's do view content, for example, just for illustration purposes. Here you will see right below where you choose your pixel. So let's say this is the pixel, then you choose the pixel event. You will have dynamic creative, the option to turn it off, on, or leave it off. Here you'll see provide individual assets such as images, headlines, and automatically generated optimized creative combinations of your assets. So what essentially Facebook is going to do is you're going to give it multiple videos, multiple ads, multiple headlines, descriptions, even call to action buttons, and they're going to create variations or ads based on what you offer Facebook. Maybe you say, here's 3 videos, test them as best as you can. Maybe Facebook is even going to choose the best video that's going to perform for you, and they're going to test those creatives for you in different ad variations. So let's click on right there, and it's going to ask you to confirm that you want dynamic creative on, and now you're going to set everything else the same way. So the audience is set the same way. Let's just leave it at that. Then we're going to put here interested in cats, for example. Just as an example, we're just going to pick something general, interested in cats. Then in the bottom, it's just going to tell you absolutely everything the same, placements, cost caps, everything is going to be the same. When you go into the ad, this is where things change. So see the format here, let's pick a page. So let's pick the new page that we're testing on, the demo. And now you're going to see in the bottom, it's going to say primary text, add other option. Headline, add other option. Description, add other option, as well as in the top, it's going to say choose up to 10 images or videos. So you can choose, let's say you get 5 videos done for your particular product. Maybe you have a business where you have multiple different designs or variants of a particular product. You can get an image of each design and then put them all up in dynamic creative. So let's say we want to put 4 different images in this case. So we add image, and now we're going to pick all of these 4 images right here, and they're all going to be picked. And now those will be part of the dynamic creative ad. So if we want to do 4 different ads, same headline, same primary text, same description, same URL, and same call to action, which you can also change. We want to do a variation for each image or in each video, whatever you want to test. So you can do, for example, 4 images, 2 texts. So this is the primary text, the one that shows up on the top of your ad. And I'm just going to put a URL here so you know what I'm talking about. And you can see the preview on the right side. So let's put that there. And you'll see what I mean with different primary text, different headlines. The primary text is the actual ad copy test that goes on the bottom. So let's say I write here, the best products ever. And I'm going to take that out. And it's going to show up on the top. So that's your top ad copy. Let's wait a little bit until it shows up. Then the headline as well. So let's say today, 50% off. And see, the best products ever shows up on the top. Today, 50% off shows up on the bottom. So you can test multiple ad copies, multiple headlines. So let's create another option. Let's say the best products ever, get yours here. So this is your first ad copy on the top. And then you put the link right there. And then you create another one. Let's say you want to test like 5 different ad copies. You don't have to create a whole different ad for each ad copy. You don't have to go ahead and test 5 different ad sets, 5 different ads. You can just put 5 different ad copies right into the dynamic creative and even test a different dynamic creative for the image or video and then a different creative for the actual ad copy. So let's say here it's we're selling out, get yours here. Obviously think these through, don't write them off like this, like actually think about the ad copy, analyze your audience. If you want to learn how to create great ad copy, check out the video, how to create viral Facebook ads. So get yours here and then link. And then you can add up to 10 right there. And then also in the headline section, you can put today we're selling out, for example, just as an example. And now all of those will be tested by Facebook. They're gonna pick different combinations off of those. So maybe they pick image 1 with headline 2 and with primary text, or with primary text 2, headline 1, and then even call to actions. You can change it so you can add another option, learn more, shop now. If you have a different type of business, maybe you want to test out the different call to actions right here on the bottom. The best way to do it though, this is a presentation for my mentoring program called Technical Optimization for Facebook Ads. I make presentations like this every 1 or 2 weeks, and this one in particular is about dynamic creative and technical optimization, how to scale past 1,000, 3,000 per month, per day, in ad spend. And the best practices for dynamic creative are 2 videos, 2 headlines, 2 ad copies, leave the call to action and the URL the same. So you're testing 2 different videos, 2 different primary ad copies, and then 2 different headlines on the bottom of your ad. A dynamic creative is profitable over 3 or more days. So let's say that dynamic creative ad is giving you results, is being profitable, then you can test the variations separately after. But I'm gonna show you how to analyze exactly what variation is doing the best. So let's say you put in 4 images, 2 primary text, 2 headlines, 2 call to action. What is working? What variation is doing best? Because you have no idea. Facebook is just choosing random variations. Which one is actually working the best for you? In the bottom here, I do want to emphasize, if you want to make a change or you want to make a test to your existing dynamic creative, change one thing. Don't start changing up 2 videos, the headlines, changing them all up, because you won't know what actually works unless you test one thing, see the result, then test another thing, see the result. So how to analyze your results? Go to Ad Sets under Ads Manager. So let's go back to the Ads Manager here. You'll see Dynamic Creative Demo. Go into the campaign. You have your campaigns, your ad sets, and your ads. Go into the campaign. Here you'll have your ad set. Go into Breakdown on the right-hand side and then click By Dynamic Creative Ad Set. You will see that usually it shows up time, delivery, action. This is where you can choose gender, country, every single thing. Action, you can choose the device, the type, the video view type, every single thing. And then you will see Dynamic Creative Asset. Only if the campaign has spent and it's a dynamic creative campaign, it will show this. So maybe we want to see which image or which video is doing the best. We just click on that. Now we see that we have 4 images that we added from before, and they all have different reach, different frequency. They both got a result. In this case, it's just a demo. It's not actually a performing campaign. But let's say you want to analyze which one is getting you purchases the least, which one is getting you purchases for the lowest cost, which one is performing the best, or which one is getting most of the spend. So in this case, we have 4 images here. These ones have all the same frequency, and this one on the top is actually getting most of the reach. That could be that Facebook is analyzing that particular image or that video as the best performing video. You can also see the actual cost. So this one, the cost is pretty high, and this one, the cost is lower. So you want to analyze, okay, maybe this image or this video or this headline variation is the best for me. You can also check by text. So here you have 2 of the text that we put. This one is getting all the results. This one hasn't gotten any results. And this one actually has spent a lot less. So if you see that one variation spends a lot less than the other one, you can test that one alone by itself. Then headline as well. This headline is getting all the results. And then also call to actions, descriptions. Every single thing about dynamic creative, you can just click on there, see the performance, see every single thing about it. And if you click on columns and then go ahead and do, for example, you're running video, you want to see which headline is getting you more video views or which video is getting you more video views. So let's say you're running 3 videos, you want to see exactly which one people are watching the most, which one is performing better for you. So back to the presentation, it's going to show performance per variation, exactly like that, just like it's showing performance between 2 ads under the same ad set. So it's going to show it across all the variations that you have. It's going to show you that performance, and then leave at least 3 to 4 days or at least $15 to $25 per variation to choose a winner. So let's say you're testing, like I said, 2 different videos, 2 different headlines, 2 different ad copies. Then you have all of those variations and one of them is overperforming everything else. Let it spend at least 15 to 25 or 3 to 4 days or more, so that you can choose, okay, this is the best one. This is the one that I'm going to choose and test alone by itself. So then you want to take your top headline, your top text, your top image or video, and test it all alone by itself in just a regular ad. And then you can see right here, you should find it. If you're running a dynamic creative, it spends, then you should find that. If you don't, leave it down in the comments. I'm pretty sure you will find it. So that's pretty much how you analyze your dynamic creative. This is an extra hack over everybody else. Nobody's teaching this, and this is absolutely going to crush everybody else, and it's going to push your results up. It's the ultimate hack. You don't have to create a bunch of different ads, a bunch of different videos. This is all right there in one single ad. You can analyze the performance, and also Facebook is favoring dynamic creative moving forward. It was just introduced a couple of weeks or a couple of months ago. Now they're really pushing for it, and everybody that uses it is going to have more performance than people that are just using regular ads. I do want to invite you to schedule a call with the first link in the description, completely for free, no cost call. And if you schedule a call and you show up for the call, you get a private module from my mentoring program that I created only for my mentoring students. It'll absolutely blow your mind on how to scale your business, your e-commerce store to the next level. You'll get that completely for free if you schedule a call right now and you show up for the call. Make sure to schedule right now. You don't lose anything, and let's start crushing it. So that's Facebook Ads Dynamic Creative. Test it out for yourself. Let me know how you go down in the comments. If you want to learn how to create viral Facebook ads, how to create viral ad copy, viral videos, how to actually turn $1 into $3 to $4 or more in profit, check out the video right there. How to create viral Facebook ads. You're going to see it right here. You can take the lessons from this video and then apply them into dynamic creative and just absolutely blow up your results. Check the video right there. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, schedule a call with me or my team down in the first link in the description. I'll see you on the next one.